Hey Gemini, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelly, aka Owl Tarot, and I'm here to give you guys messages from your ex. We're going to tap into their energy, see what is going on with your ex. What do they want to tell you? And possible outcomes. Guys, before we get started, as you all know, my readings are timeless general love readings, so they may or may not resonate with you. Please take what does, leave the rest behind. Time is fluid, so whenever you find this reading, you are meant to hear it. There is no gender in tarot, guys. Please reverse the roles as need be. Cross watchers, you are always welcome. Guys, don't forget to check the other placements so you get a better understanding of this energy. And if this reading resonated with you and you would like additional messages and clarity regarding your situation, you can always book a personal reading with me. The information is in the description box below. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This allows me to connect with you all energetically, and it also helps me with the growth of the channel. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for all your love and support. It is truly appreciated. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here with the messages from your ex. Let's see, what does your ex want to tell you? Gemini, universe, archangels, spirit, angel guides, and guardians. Let's see here. Oops, sorry, guys. Just hit my elbow there. We will be together. We'll be together again. We will be together again. Wow, I'm having problems today. My mind and heart always comes back to you. I'm a better person because of you. Oh, wow, Gemini. So your person is planning a return here, okay? This person is constantly and forever thinking about you, Gemini. They can't get you out of their mind. They can't get you out of their heart. And you've made them a better person. I just heard this person is just working some things out, but they will be soon returning back to you. Let's see here. Universe, archangel, spirit, angel guides, and guardians, please help me give Gemini clear and concise messages from their ex. Four of Pentacles. So there is something your person is working on right now. They're releasing something. They're releasing some type of energy. Maybe even another relationship I'm getting here. But with the strength here, this separation is actually making this person a little bit stronger. It's bringing this person a little bit more closer towards you. With the Emperor here, this person views you as their person, as their divine masculine, divine feminine. Remember, guys, there is no gender in tarot. But this person is wanting to release something, to be able to come towards you. Two of Cups, they want a reconciliation here. This person finds you to be their divine partner, their soulmate, their twin flame, whichever of those you resonate with. But this person is wanting to come back into union here with you. With the Star here, this person is working on something, healing something with the Star in the reverse. There is something that this person has to pay attention to before they can come towards you, okay? What else, universe, here for my Geminis? What else? Ay, come on. Seven of Swords. This person has a tendency, Gemini, to run away from situations, okay? This person tends to hide a lot of emotions. They may seem deceptive at times, but it's the fact that this person doesn't know how to really value something good. So what do? They run away from it. And this is what this person is currently working on, is how to value what's good in their life, how to be able to enjoy what's finally theirs, how to be able to enjoy a good relationship. This person is in this energy right now where they know that every time something gets serious for them, whether it was in this relationship or in another one, they tend to run away from this, okay? So this person is trying to correct that habit that they have. Three of Swords in the reverse. So for some of you guys, this could have been some third-party energy here. It doesn't necessarily mean that it was someone that they were dealing with on a sexual level. It could definitely be some friends and family that were interfering in your guys' connection, but they're also removing that from the energy, okay? With the Judgment here, this person is making final decisions, wanting to come towards you, bring some truth and clarity to the situation. They're wanting an overall renewal of the relationship. What else, universe? Five of Wands. So this person wants to come back towards you, but they don't want any conflict. They don't want to argue. They don't want to dwell on the past. They want to let the past go. They're hoping and praying that you look at things the same way as them. They want the opportunity to resolve this situation with you, move on and move forward, make amends here with you, okay? But they don't want the fighting anymore. What else, universe? I got the Five of Cups in the reverse. Guys, this person regrets ever walking away from you. This person regrets never giving this situation the proper opportunity that it deserved. This person is very regretful for making small offers, or at that, no offers at all. But they're wanting to change that. They're wanting to do something different here with you. They're wanting to really work on this situation with the Knight of Swords here. This person is coming towards you with decisive action, decisive decisions here. That they know what they want. They know where they want this relationship to go, and they're prepared to do the work. With the Queen of Swords here, this person wants to come in and they want to speak a truth. They want to be very assertive. They want to tell you exactly what they're thinking. They want you to give them a chance to say what they got to say without you interfering, and let them express their true feelings towards you and this relationship. What else, universe, for Gemini here? King of Wands. So you're maybe dealing with the fire sign, Gemini, but this person overall at the end of the day, they have a lot of passion for you, okay? They have a vision for this relationship. They want this relationship to go a certain way. They also know that they have to put the work in the connection, but there's a lot of passion when it comes to you. This person is passionate about you, passionate about expressing something here to you, passionate of wanting to be intimate with you. There's just a lot of fire between you and them. With the Hangman in the reverse, this person is wanting to become unstuck from a situation that is holding them back. They're wanting to obtain a new perspective in this situation. They're wanting to see things very clearly, or they're wanting you to see things, to see that they're coming towards you in a new energy. Let's see here. Nine of Pentacles, pre-Empress mode. Your person is coming back in prepared. Prepared to do the work, prepared to move forward with you. If your person was in another situation in the past when you first met, possibly even married, and in the middle of some form of separation that has been completed, this person is single now. They're ready to move on with this relationship and see where it can take them. Ace of Pentacles here. This person's coming in here with a stable offer. They're wanting a new beginning. This person, I feel that they let something go from the past. This person could have been, when you first met them, they could have been in a legal separation or in the middle of a divorce process. And finally that has come through and they're ready to move forward with you and now be able to make these stable offers to you. What else, universe? Four of Cups in the reverse. This person does not want to miss an opportunity with you. They want to take this relationship in a different direction. They're looking at things very different now. They want an opportunity to work on this situation, and they're hoping that you allow them that. What else, universe? Nine of Wands. This person is praying that you don't give up on them. This person is praying that you didn't close this cycle on them already, or that you didn't close yourself off to the whole situation. They're really wanting to come back towards you and make these offers. They're hoping and praying that you are still available. Magician. You see, Magician. This person is hoping, praying, manifesting that you're still available to be able to work on this situation with the Three of Pentacles, wanting to collaborate with them, wanting to rebuild this situation with the Ace of Swords. This person is coming towards you with some truth and some clarity for an opportunity here, for a new beginning here with you. With the World in the reverse, this person very well knows that this situation with you and them has not come to an end, and they're still going to come towards you and make these offers in hopes of you wanting to reconcile with them and wanting to work on this situation. Overall, this person is telling you in your reading today, Gemini, is that they will be back. You guys will be back together again. They think about you all the time, and you've made them a better person, and they're wanting to come in that new energy and make those offers to you. Stable offers now. Final messages here for my Gemini universe. Final messages. Trials of love, lessons. So there's some lessons that were learned in this situation, in this separation. This person also learned lessons while they weren't with you. They learned how to value you more. They learned how to value this relationship more. Now they're wanting to come towards you and express that, show you that. With love and lace and innocence. See, this person finds this relationship to be, at the same time, you know, you guys have been through some fair share of crap, don't get me wrong, but there's just something innocent about your guys' relationship, your guys' way of being with each other. There's just something innocent and beautiful in this relationship that this person wants to get back with you. Dreaming of you. Again, you are in this person's mind, in this person's heart all the time. They want you to understand that they've never forgotten you. They never will forget you, and they will be coming towards you because they want to be with you again. They want the opportunity to rekindle the situation and move on and move forward in a committed relationship. All right, guys, I hope and pray that I hope and pray that this reading gave you the clarity that you needed. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. And if you want to book a personal, the info is in the description box below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.